Since the 90s, more and more companies started to realize that short-term thinking could harm the environment. Nowadays, the ideas of finding a way to protect it are starting to come alive.
First of all, by choosing our product, we think we help to reach this goal. Because the product itself is better than the products that are at the moment in the market in terms of sustainable, environmental friendly, enjoying the water. Something, that's something we would like to implement in the sector.
Because you don't see a lot of boats which are electric.
No, on land it's already quite normal with hybrid cars, and electrical bikes as well. They work very well, and more people see how convenient it is, especially if you're older or if you live in the mountains. And we think that on the water it's also very useful to add power from batteries. So work with solar panels, save the power in batteries, and then use it when you're actually on the water and need the energy.
No stress.
The idea has already been attracting many interest, but the way of producing is another concern.
There are several things we do to make it environmental friendly. For example, the material, it is made of plastics, which is not the best, of course. But we use a method, it's called vacuum injection, and by that you can reduce the materials you need to make it strong enough. So it's really thin, but still very, very strong, and that helps to reduce the materials you need. Of course, it's not made of wood, it's not made of recycled stuff, but in the process we try to make choices that reduce the materials we need.
In the long term, JewStock also plans to cooperate with other firms to strengthen its position and create more support base of its real concept.
We do everything ourselves, and most of the things we are not really good in at the moment, so a lot of it is done by hand. But for instance, you need some machinery, for example, to work with plastics. If you want to shape it and bring it into certain shapes, then you need machinery. But it's a really manual process at the moment, because we're working on the first prototype. Once we have our final prototype, we want to let another firm produce 20 or 50 or 100 of the same size, and then it will be more automatic.
That was a clear vision, but also bigger organizations need to consider their impact on the environment. We contacted ING to make an appointment, but we were not allowed to film the interview. But on the website we could already retrieve much information in the sustainability report. So if companies all over the world would think in terms of sustainability, we'd really be able to make a wonderful world.